So we got some videos of the brand new Huawei Mate XT. And while the crease from a glance is absolutely atrocious, which I know a lot of people are going to be upset about, especially when the price tag of this device is $3,000. That's right, 3,000 doubloons. Already people are going to be upset about, but this is the brand new tri-foldable cell phone, which of course does go ahead and feature 3 separate displays, which combines together for a beautiful 10-inch outside display, or I guess 10-inch display in general. So here's what it looks like when it is fully unfolded. That thing is actually a tablet. Like, people make jokes and say that the Z Fold devices, Pixel Fold devices are tablets. This is in 1000% form a tablet. Like, there's no questions about that. Holy crap, that is humongous. Okay, it doesn't look that bad, like, from this angle. The other angle looks very bad, but overall wise, it is also very thin. That thing is humongously thin. Which I was not expecting it to be this. I mean, I guess I was. I mean, let's be honest. Any phone at this foldable phone at this point is going for as thin as possible. Whether or not that works out well or not, we'll have to wait and see. But this is what the actual display looks like. So it's interesting how they went with the first display is where the punch hole camera is. And I think the reason why is because it all folds together like a 3-lane, pancake stack. So because of that, this is the outside display, and these are just ends up being the, interior of the phone. But it does kind of look weird because of that, because the camera, when it's fully unfolded, is all the way to the left, which if you're utilizing this for any type of not FaceTiming, but any type of video chatting in general, or conference or meetings, it's going to be really off-centered. Refresh rate is 90 hertz, and we also have a 2232 by 3184. Obviously, it does come in 2 different color variants, and then they show off the case. They also show off you can utilize the you can utilize the keyboard with it too. And again, like, when it's fully unfolded, $3,000 is so insane of an asking price, but it does look good. I mean, you can't really complain too much. When it is completely folded together, it looks like this, and just looks like a typical cell phone. That's very, very thick when folded together. When unfolded, very, very thin. I don't think this is going to be the future. I really don't think it will happen. I mean, not with a $3,000 asking price. You're never going to get the general public to go on board with that. I mean, it's already almost impossible to get the general public to go on board with the $1,800 asking price of the Z Fold series and the Pixel Fold series. But still, that's even insane. So they're showing here how you can have 2 apps running at the same time. You have an app on the left-hand side, TikTok. Right-hand side looks like that is Photos, maybe Google Photos or something. You have a case on it, so you have a little kickstand. I don't even know if I could. I feel like I would break this. That's another thing that, I don't know if I would fully want to utilize this, just because I feel like I would break this in the end. I mean, it literally is just like you pull it apart. That's all this is. It's like you literally just pull the phone apart and you get a 10-inch display. And again, it does look absolutely gorgeous. It's just very, very mad expensive. That's what I will say. Very, very mad expensive, and I still don't know if we're ever going to see this in this aspect of if this ends up becoming a, actual phone, like tri-foldable phones become the norm. I still highly doubt it, but I mean, anything is possible, right? I mean, 5600 milliamp battery though is pretty nice, but when you have 3 displays like that, you kind of have to. Plus, you have 3 separate batteries, which makes sense. 16 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabyte variant. You got 512, you got 1 terabyte, which I still don't know why the Pixel Fold 2 doesn't have that. I think that's freaking outrageous. But I do want to give a shout out here to Gizmo China for posting this. So shout out to them for posting this video of the phone. I'll leave a link down below in the description to the article and their channel. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.